Don't scroll. Don't scroll. You're looking to start a YouTube channel? Come follow me in my journey. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, some people are just seeing my face for the first time, so a little bit of introduction here and there. Let's go, guys. It's me as me am. You don't know who I am. Can you not know who I am? Hello there. My name is Lisa Tony King. My friends call me Lisa. Well, some people call me Mona Lisa. The inspiration actually came back from school. I'm a Nigerian, born and brought up in Nigeria.
Yo, welcome to Nigeria.
Yeah. Sorry to bust your bubble. Born and brought up in Plateau State, Nigeria. Plateau State, some people don't know where Plateau State is on the map. Plateau State is a small, tiny state in the north central, should I call it north central? Whatever. Northern part of Nigeria. Nigeria is in Africa. Africa is a continent in the world. One of the 7 continents, if you didn't know. Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Giants! The giant of Africa. That's where I'm from. Proudly Nigerian. Any day, anytime.
2,000 years later.
Feel free to call me Lisa. What do I do for a living? Oh, girl. Hey, the question. Now for a living. I travel for a living.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
A lot of people ask me about travels. Don't worry, I'm going to answer all your travel questions. All those people that asked me questions about travel. Work in the science part of the world, the scientific part of the world of traveling. I work in the medical sector as well. Back in school, it was so hard for me, guys, to be honest. I'll say I was more of an introvert. I'll say mixed. Yeah, I wasn't really like an introvert or an extrovert. I was just like in between being an introvert and being an extrovert. But till present, I will still say I'm in between. It depends on my relationship with you. It depends on how well I know you enough to be free around you. It depends on my mood that day that you see me. Between the school days, go to boarding house. House is a place where you stay away from your home to go to school, but instead they create an accommodation in school where you can school from the accommodation. I didn't really go to a boarding house. Parents were so strict, like about going out, about mingling with people and all that, reading or sleeping or watching a TV educational movie or something. This is like books. I'm not saying that's wrong, but trust me, everything that my parents did back then has structured me to be the person I am today. Helpful in some way. I exposed myself to a lot of people. I learned better, and that's one thing I like about myself. I learn a lot. I learn a lot from people. I learn about my mistakes, and then I try to correct them to make sure I don't make the same mistakes next time. Blah 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 blah. Fast forward to present, just being thrown to an environment where you meet a whole lot of people from different phases of life and cadres of life. It was so hard for me to be able to blend in. Towards the end of school, that was when I began to like ease up, and then for some people it's a bit late because it's like we already know who she is, so why is she coming to change now? People have bad days and good days, isn't it? Me, it wasn't like that, guys, to be honest. It was just so hard to blend in at first. I thank God for the person I am today. I have grown a lot. Like, I am so proud of myself. You don't even want to know. My favorite color, you want to know my favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Blue from Blue. Bulaba. Bro. Anamasimbo. Balab. Bululu. Ulapa. Broom, 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 broom. Hey, Ululu. Ulapa. Hey, broom, broom. I joke a lot. It inspires me to travel. A lot of things. Number one, getting to learn a new culture. I don't just wake up and decide that, okay, I want to travel to this particular country, or I want to go to this particular country because this person has been there. No, I believe one should have a reason. You should have a purpose as to why you want to travel. Cannot just wake up and say, okay, let me pack my bag and my baggages and be traveling. It doesn't work that way. Well, for you, for me, I have a purpose or reason as to why I'm traveling. I don't just travel because I want to go to the famous place and this person has been there, me too, I want to go there. No, it doesn't work that way. So I have a reason as to why I travel. I travel because I want to learn a new culture. I really travel for the people, really. Like, getting to a new country, there's that vibe, there's that excitement, you know what I mean, that you're going to learn a new culture. A different sphere of life is about to be opened for you to appreciate the world in a different dimension. I'm not here to encourage you to travel, but if you want me to encourage you to travel, stay tuned. If you are still watching this video up to this time, it means you find value in my channel. I would like to crave your indulgence to please, are you seeing something red down your screen? Why is it still showing red? Come on, smash it, baby, smash it. Smash the subscribe button. Subscribe if you want to keep seeing this beautiful face, if you want to keep having this lovely content, if you love to see my travel content, smash the red button. Just subscribe. Thank you. I would say just start, to be honest. Just start. You can't wait to get it all. You can't wait to get all the right equipment, get a posh camera, get a big microphone, know what to say and all that. Just start. You can have a purpose to why you're starting your YouTube channel. Like for me, the reason why I'm started this YouTube channel is because I want to show people the world. There are people who send me messages on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and they're like, oh, how do you travel? An itinerary on this country. I'd like to visit this country. What are the requirements to go to this country? Blah, blah, blah. Answering all your questions, I feel, yeah, I have been to a part of the world, and I feel it's good to show it out there. Let people see where you've been. Really for purpose, for memories as well. It keeps that memory, that sense of memory that, oh, I've been to this part of the country. This is where I learned. You get to remember the people you met over there, the culture. So you're not too old to travel, just start traveling. Over time on this YouTube channel, I would, for those people who love to travel, I am here to give you the ginger and the vibe, like, to travel. When you travel, you get exposed to a whole lot of things, a whole lot of people as well. Times last year I visited Greece. This is 2023. year 2022 I visited Greece, got to meet a whole lot of people. Actually impacted me, it made me grow way, especially in relation to travel as well. So you get to meet a lot of people. It's best for you to be able to blend in. It's just to say hi, when you're passing by. Feel free, don't be shy, just say hi to the local, say hi to somebody, and then that's how you blend in, and then you have a very, very good time. Travel, because when you travel, you get exposed to a whole lot of things. You get exposed to a whole new horizon and a whole new dimension of the world, and you learn a lot because it is part of your growth as you grow. You feel me? Way to reach me. This now, are you not seeing me? You are seeing me already, no? This question is too personal. I don't understand. The best way to reach me The best way to reach me, you can reach me on any other social media platform. You can reach me on Instagram, Lisa Tony King. In the description box, if you go down the description box, there's a link that takes you straight to my Instagram page. So you can feel free to reach me on Instagram, Facebook as well, YouTube as well. You can drop a message on the comment section and then I'll reply you, or email. I'm around, but not WhatsApp. I don't know why some people are so particular about WhatsApp. What is so special about WhatsApp? I'm not active on WhatsApp.
You don't leave my wife, my soul, my sweetheart, my only woman.
I'm not active on WhatsApp, please. Thank you, bye. My likes and dislikes. Well, I like honest people. I like people that love God and love the things of God, because I mean, God is the ultimate, isn't it? Who are very honest and everything in their power to want to make you grow. People that don't procrastinate. That know me. If you know me, the personal people who knows me very well knows that I don't procrastinate. Once I set my mind to do something, I get it done. I'm not hyping myself, no. But it's just something that has been part of me since when I was little. If you set your mind to achieve something, you will achieve it. Go out there and do it. Get it done. Smash that goal. It is doable. Don't believe anyone who tells you that you can't achieve your dreams. I keep telling people, you can achieve your dreams and many more. It's like, what did I just talk about now? Was it like I talk about this? Like, well, I don't. It's like I don't like people that procrastinate. Likes, I love eating, but I don't get fat. Yeah. Some people want to be like me. I love eating, I love eating, but I don't even get fat. Me, I don't even know the kind of body that I have. You see the food that I eat. Hey, I used to eat plenty of buckets of food like this. But even if I gulp it down, it doesn't show.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Take it like that. I love eating. I mean, who doesn't like food? Yeah. So I love eating good food. My favorite food is pounded yam and egusi soup with salads. I love salads, like, and fruits as well. People who knows me knows like I don't go without fruits. Like, there is no week I'm not making things up. There's no week that I don't go without me not eating fruits. Like, I love eating fruit. It keeps you healthy. Replace those junks that you are drinking, those soda. I'm not going to mention the name before they will come and hold me. Before they will come and hold me ransom. I ain't gonna mention no names. No. Replace those soda drinks with smoothies. So get smoothies, get fresh fruits, blend them, drink them, and thank me later. Hobbies, I love singing. If you didn't know, you better know now. You better know singing. I love singing. It brings this peace in me, like when I sing, and then I just get to appreciate the beauty of music as well. It keeps me calm. That's another form as which listening to music, that's another form I use to cope with stress as well. I love to listen to music as well. Hi there, I'm Lisa. I'm a traveler and a blogger as well, content creator. Feel free to check me out on Instagram at Lisa Tony King. I love traveling because traveling makes me a better person. I believe travel can make the world a better place. Hence, I started this page to help you travel and also make the world a better place. I'm going to be sharing my journey as well as helping you to travel on a budget. All these nosy people. I'm not really a fan of sharing my next travel destination, because if I talk about it too much, the vibe of going to that country just disappears. Something like that. I don't know. I just appear in the country. Yeah. Next country I'll be visiting, I'm looking to visiting more of African countries this year. In Jordan or Egypt. What do you guys think? Which one? Jordan or Egypt. Ha! The pictures about Jordan and Egypt I've seen, guys. Let's see. I'm yet to choose Jordan or Egypt. We'll see how it goes. Sorry, you said? Come again. I think I'm gonna pass on that question because it's too personal for me. It's too personal for me. No, it's too personal for me. I'm just gonna pass. I'm just gonna go get something, yeah? My dream job. That's interesting. The dream job will be waking up whenever I want to wake up, silencing the alarm, work whenever, however, whoever. Like, there's no more alarms. That's my dream job, man. Thank you so much for all your lovely questions. I hope in some way or the other I've been able to answer your question. I hope this channel brings you positivity and inspiration to be the best version of yourself out there. Follow your dreams, chase your dreams because your dreams are valid. There's nobody stopping you. Start today, stop procrastinating and just start. See you in my next video and cheers to more travels. Thank you.